Hey everyone, this is Troy with Lerch RV and welcome to the Avenue 29 RLS. As always with the Alliance products, one thing to keep in mind is when your exterior, interior, and floor decking, you're going to have the Asdel that backs those. That way you don't have to worry about any wood rotting or delamination on your walls on the outside, which gives you a lot better peace of mind for that end. Over in your living and dining area, you do have your dinette, which has a bench on one side and two seats on the other. Of course, you have your reclining seats over here on the right-hand side of that. Nice large windows the whole way around, so you get plenty of light coming inside. Of course, on the back side, you do have plenty of outlets, storage underneath each end of the sofa. Then you do have the fold-out bed there as well with some overhead storage. Heading into the kitchen area and entertainment area, you do have more storage above the television, behind it, as well as your fireplace below. 3-burner cooktop and your nice oven below with a storage drawer for pots and pans underneath that, yep. Of course, in your island, you do have quite a few outlets, plenty of storage there. And then you do have shutoff valves on all your water hookups for all the Alliance products, making your maintenance of the plumbing systems much easier. And then, of course, you do have your nice large refrigerator with your pull-out bottom freezer. With all Alliance products, it does come prepped for Starlink, so if you have that system, you can easily set it up in any of their coaches. Of course, you have your nice large pantry with adjustable shelves. And then over here inside your entryway, of course, you have a nice little nook, plenty of storage there. Your fuses, your converter are all going to be right down here, all color-coded to match everything to make that portion easier to keep up with as well. And heading into the bathroom here, of course, you do have a nice large shower, plenty of elbow room, a nice nice dome above you for the extra headspace plus light coming in there. You have your larger fan in the bathroom. Heading over here, you do have some hooks for any towels that you need. Of course, you have your controls for your tankless hot water heater over on the left-hand side of your wall when you walk inside of the bathroom, plus additional storage, and of course, your vanity over here to my left. Of course, heading into the bedroom, you do have your extra air conditioner, hookups for your television, AC control on the wall there. You have a nice large hanging storage area and wardrobe, we'll call it, but you do have extra hookups for your washer and dryer, tucked in right behind these drawers if you ever wanted that installed. I want to thank you for joining us today on the walkthrough of the Avenue 29 RLS. One thing to keep in mind with all Alliance products is they do offer a full-time RVing warranty. That way, if you're in it through extended periods of the year, you're not going to have any issues with that being taken care of throughout that one-year manufacturer warranty coverage. If you have any questions about the camper, pricing, please feel free to stop in, call in, and then we'll be more than happy to help you out, and we look forward to seeing you then.